Alright guys, so I'm in my Mk4, the silver GTI, and we're doing big things today. I may or may not have gotten GT28RS, so we're going to be putting that on today. And it's going to be lit. Yeah! Alright, so Alex and I got my car here. We're going to be putting this GT28RS on it. Got this for $1,000 from my friend Connor. It's a full APR kit. Comes with APR Stage 3 tune. Comes with literally everything for $1,000. Shout out to Connor. So we're gonna be putting that on.
The slammed beamer.
Yeah, you guys haven't seen the garage yet.
Well, I think they saw it in another.
Yeah, but we cleaned out the garage now, so we got full. We got some heat.
28 degrees here in PA.
We got a 2JZ.
Yep.
All 4 cylinders of that 2JZ. Alex's beamer, I don't think, this is his new beamer. You guys haven't seen this yet. He just slammed it last night. It's getting there. He has to get a new hood because the previous owner messed that up, but it's coming along. Mint E46 coupe. Dang. So yeah, we're gonna be putting this turbo on today.
Yeah.
Alright, so first we're just gonna start clearing stuff out, like whole intake thing, front mount, bunch of stuff back here. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we got the turbo off the K03, and this is the big boy. You can see the difference. Everyone's here. We got Harrison, Harry, and Noah. Bryner's taking off the headers. See, we got everything up back there. And the injectors are all in, the bigger ones, or we think they're bigger.
They look stock though.
Yeah.
But
we'll probably do a compression test right before, and then we got to step with the ECU and figure out how to route all these pipes. So we're getting there. We'll show you some clips afterwards and the startup and all that. So, all right, guys. So we got everything pretty much on. I think. It seems like we have a little fuel leak. Thanks, Bryner. And yeah, we got pretty much everything on. It took us all day long because this intercooler did not work, so we had to pull stuff off of this car, his other car, and kind of make it work. So finally it might be done, and we're going to show you what it's like. First startup, let's see if it blows up. That is insanely loud. Come on, autofocus. Wow, that was really loud.
should I try again?
Yeah. What? A little bit, yeah. I think it's just has no back pressure at all. It's just dying right away. Alright guys, so I think the tune was immobilized, so it was not running as you saw. So we just put the stage 2 plus tune back in. It was a custom dyno tune before, so it'll run for now. Yeah. This thing's really loud now. We still got to do the exhaust and then get the tune immobilized. Alright guys, there you have it. There's a little clip of it ripping. Again, we don't have the right tune in it, but it still seemed to hold together.
Sorry it's so dark, but you know, it's nighttime, so I do have a check engine light, but that's just because I have no exhaust right now. So, and my O2 sensors aren't hooked up, so that's what that's from. But other than that, it runs great. As we mentioned, it's on my stock tune, or well, not stock, but stage 2 tune. But just as he touches the camera, the cold start goes down. Alright, let's go. Yeah guys, you know, 3, 2, 1. You haven't seen the interior of my car yet, but oh, I also, so a little update. Back is completely badgeless. Yeah.
Bryner, you see something I fixed?
I kinda got a roll cage.
Bryner, you see what I fixed?
What?
Windshield washer to leak.
Alright, so we're gonna do, I don't know what we're doing actually, we're probably 40 roll me versus Alex just to see. I have my stage 2 tune in, so we'll see how that goes. A lot better than I thought it would be, because it's running like crap right now because stage 2 tune is not even tuned for this turbo. So that really surprised me. One more. Down here, bud. You pretty much. I literally stayed with Alex. I didn't redline it either. Holy crap!